All right, now as we approach the end of the year, we're taking a look back at 2021. Chief Meteorologist John Carroll is recapping everything the weather threw at us in this past year.
2021 is coming to a close, and this is the time of year when we take a look back at the weather events that impacted our lives. And who better to take a look back at the weather than the great prognosticator himself, Punxsutawney Phil. So let's begin at the beginning. Winter weather. Now, our wintry weather events. This winter season was not all too overwhelming when it came to the snow, but we did have some ice. The snow days were few and far between, but they seemed to arrive on the weekends. They actually didn't, but it just seemed that way. On the last day of January, we recorded 4.4 inches of snow, and that was our biggest accumulation of the year. Then it was the wintry mixed type storms that plagued the region. Several freezing rain and sleet events happened this winter, but back-to-back ice storms in mid-February were perhaps the most notable winter weather phenomenon observed. Significant damage to trees and power lines along the southern Blue Ridge and into Southside Virginia. As far as the severe weather this past year is concerned, Western Virginia had its fair share. There were several days with strong to robust storm events and a few notable flooding situations. On August 19th, the Roanoke metropolitan area was hit with over 2 inches of rain in less than 2 hours. Numerous streets were overtaken by the rainwater. In the town of Buchanan, in late September, a deluge of rain washed down the hills near the city and caused significant street flooding in the downtown area, as well as a large section of New Freedom Farm that was hosting the Freedom Fest that weekend. As for the tropics, well, this year saw another very active season with 21 named storms, but most of the activity was out in the open waters of the Atlantic or along the Gulf Coast. But Virginia was not spared completely from the tropical cyclones this season. Ida, a major Category 4 hurricane that made landfall in Louisiana, generated 2 tornadoes in our area on August 31st. More on that in a little bit. But also the southwest corner of the Commonwealth was hit extremely hard with significant flooding from Ida. Buchanan County was devastated by several inches of rain in the region, and that wiped out a good portion of the town of Hurley. The year in review would not be complete without discussing tornadoes. Well, the tornadoes were few and far between, but we did have 2 confirmed touchdowns from the same complex in Montgomery County on August 31st. These were associated with former Hurricane Ida. We discussed that above. Minor damage was reported and no deaths or injuries were associated with this. And we did see another twister confirmed later in the year in Halifax County. The final issue we're going to look at is the issues associated with our climate, more specifically heat and drought. Now, we have had very little rain the past several weeks of the year 2021, and we are under the severe drought scenario in southeastern sections of our viewing area, moderate drought scenario in a number of others. We have very low soil levels as far as moisture is concerned, and we have been very warm. In fact, it was the warmest Christmas day on record in the city of Roanoke with 69 degrees. Our meteorological team looks forward to keeping you and your family safe in the new year. Download our WFXR app and watch us each chance you get to stay ahead of the storms. We want you to be safe and informed for 365 more days.